Hello friends, my name is Gaurav Kapoor and today I will show you the demo of my app called BMI calculator. So let's start. So after the splash screen you will see a home screen where you will see two input field parameter. One is the height and second is the weight. So basically BMI, or you can say body mass index, is calculated based on these two parameters, height and weight. So suppose if you have a height around 173 and weight around 71, and click on the calculate BMI, it will show you the result of your BMI. So your BMI is 23.7 kg per meter square. So this is considered as normal. Suppose you have a height around 173 and a weight around 85 kg, and if you click on the calculate BMI, so it will show you the different results. So your BMI is 28.4 kg per meter square. So this is considered overweight. By clicking on the clear, you can reset these two input fields. And suppose if you want to try some other values, suppose if the height is around 178 and the weight is around 90, and if I click on the calculate BMI button, it will show it that your BMI is 28.4 kg per meter square. So this is considered overweight.
So on the top right corner we have the info menu option. If I press on the info menu option, it will redirect you to the about BMI screen. So on this screen you will see more about the BMI, what is BMI stand for, and the BMI category table, where you will see if the BMI range is less than 18.5, so you are considered underweight, and if it is between 18.5 to 25, you are considered normal, and if it is between 25 to 30, you are considered overweight, and if it is greater than 30, you are considered obese. So and the other section you will see how to calculate the BMI. So basically we have given the formula how we calculate the BMI based on the height and weight, and why isn't BMI used for muscle builder, long distance athlete, pregnant women, and the elderly or the young children. So if you have any query or suggestion, you can write an email to kapoor.gaurav1@gmail.com, or you can download and install this app from Google Play Store. Thank you for watching the demo.